I'm going to do 4 questions similar to the ones on your homework sheet that involve working with fractions and algebra. People see algebra, they freak out. Do not change your process just because you see a letter instead of a number. So let's look at question 1 first. When we multiply fractions, all we do is we multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator, and simplify. So now we're left with 4 times x plus 3 divided by 9 times x plus 3. Now what I could have done first is I could have been even trickier and actually simplified these. Okay. But it doesn't matter if you don't do it there because now I can still simplify anyway when I'm left with 4 over 9. That's simple. When we divide fractions, remember we flip the second one and multiply. So we're left with x plus 4 over 2 multiplied by 6 over x plus 4. So once again, this time I am going to do it first. We can simplify that. We can also simplify this, can't we? Because 2 goes into both of them. So now all I'm left with is equals 3 over 1, which, we just... Let's take a look here now at adding and subtracting fractions. Just because there are letters involved does not mean your process changes. When we're adding and subtracting fractions, we want to have a common denominator. So what I'm going to do to this one is I'm going to multiply the numerator and denominator by 5 to give me a common denominator of 10. So minus 15m over 10. So now what I do is I've got 3 minus 15m all over 10. What I can do is I can actually simplify this one a little bit further by taking out a common factor. It's actually a really useful skill to start being able to recognize when you can factorize to simplify. Okay, so same thing here in this case. What I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this one by 4 and the other side by 3, then solve. Okay, so I've got 4 outside of x plus 2 plus 3 outside of x plus 1 all over 12. Now it's just a matter of expanding and collecting like terms to simplify. Okay, 4x plus 8 plus 3x plus 3 over 12. My final answer, 7x plus 11 over 12. Don't forget your basic rules just because it looks different.